Hi, welcome. Welcome to St Gilgen. St Gilgen is the little village here behind me, and isn't that just the most amazing view ever? This is the Wolfgangsee. St Gilgen is just this small little village in front of Wolfgangsee. St Wolfgang is just behind. You can't see it from here. And this is just a magnificent view. It's actually when you come down the Romantikstraße from Salzburg, this is kind of the view that you're gonna get when you come here by bus or by car. So in 2005, St Gilgen was promoted a Mozart village. I don't think Mozart ever came here, but Mozart's mother is from St Gilgen. And St Gilgen, as I mentioned, is not very far from Salzburg, where Mozart lived all of his life. And so we're going to check out the town center now and take a walk through the town and see what it's like. Alright, I made it down to the lake now. I'm quite sure I can get a good view of the lake. Let me see, there's lots of little restaurants and cafes. Here we go, check this out. Isn't that amazing? So cool. What a beautiful view. And I love the water. It's a turquoise, it's so clear. There's obviously lots of water sport going on as well. Sailing, and paddle boats and water skis. Okay, I'm gonna check out now the main promenade around the lake. I think most of the lakeside stuff happens just in front of me, towards the center of the town. Here we go. Look at that. So just behind me, that's the main boat that crosses the Wolfgangsee, and you can take that all the way to St Wolfgang and it comes back, and that's a great way to actually get around the lake. If you plan to take a boat ride, there's different options you have. There's the normal boat that just left now, but there's also an old paddle steamer, and for a few euros extra you can take that. I was told it's quite an experience. The price for the boat is about €8 or $9 to $10. It's very affordable and definitely a cool thing to do. What I really appreciate about all these little villages and towns here is how beautifully they're decorated. Look at those flowers everywhere. It's just stunning. And I love how they're interplaying with the artwork as well. It's nice cafes here. This cafe is called Papageno, so clearly they're making use of the Mozart theme. Looks really nice though. And you can pretty much get everywhere. You can get ice cream. Really delicious. And I see a number of restaurants as well. So how do you like St Gilgen? Isn't it beautiful? Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. It's so quiet again. There's not too many people around. So if you are planning to visit Hallstatt, St Gilgen is right on the way. Almost certainly you will be coming from Salzburg, and you want to take the Romantikstraße to Hallstatt, and Gilgen is part of that. It takes you through Wolfgangsee. St Gilgen is next, right after that, and from there you go to Bad Ischl, the Emperor's town, and then Bad Goisern, and from there it's just a stone throw to Hallstatt. I'm here now in the city center of St Gilgen, and it just looks beautiful. The houses are so pristine and pretty. Check that out. Whether the church is open. Looks like it is. Let's check that out. So I just learned that in this church, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart's mother was baptized. I guess that makes sense, since she was from here and her family's from here. And check out this amazing architecture. Isn't that just beautiful? I love the flowers everywhere. The balconies. Oh, here's the town hall of St Gilgen. It looks really beautiful too. And of course we have the Mozart Town St right in front of the town hall. Check that out. There's plenty of cafes, Café Dalman. Behind me there's Café Nannerl. Nannerl was Mozart's mother's name, I believe. And if you wondered what the school looks like in St Gilgen, this is the school. It's pretty neat. I think they're in vacation time right now, so school's off. I wouldn't mind going to school here. Students have a lake view. Not too bad. Okay, so this concludes our little walk through St Gilgen. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. And we'll see each other in the next video. Have a good one. Bye bye.